Well, in an ideal world, we would have a team of therapists coming into the homes and working with the kids, you know, on a 24/7 basis, but that's not going to happen. And you know, funding is a big problem for ABA intensive therapy. So even in the earliest studies with ABA, parents were an integral part to the therapy. And the idea here is that we train parents in the science of applied behaviour analysis so that they have the skills and they're not always running to look for professional help, although professional help is essential part of the therapy. The idea for Simple Steps came a few years ago now when through Mickey Keenan, really, at the University of Ulster. He came up with the idea. He was using multimedia to try and teach his students. And then after discussions with Lester Manley, we sort of jointly came up with the idea of a multimedia parent support pack, which would sort of teach parents about autism and ABA, and using like videos of real kids, you know, in real environments to sort of let people see, rather than just using a textbook or whatever to learn about ABA and autism. Well, ABA is using science to help children with autism, really. It's looking at what excesses and deficits they have in behaviours. It's been proven in many reports and publications to be effective for helping the kids, and you know, as a family we see it working for our children. Any of the families that use ABA and have some basic training in applied behaviour analysis, they do see progress with their children. Some families may be just working on very, very simple things like feeding or toileting, even just bedtime routines. Some kids then working on more intensive programs, learning how to communicate verbally, how to talk, how to listen, how to follow simple commands, all of those things, you know. But autism is a broad spectrum. You know, you can have from very severe up to very high functioning autism and Asperger's syndrome. So it's a wide spectrum, but we've seen many successes, and in fact a lot of the education boards and professionals actually take Simple Steps and use it as a training tool for their staff as well. Well, I'm very excited about it because, I mean, this project really originated here in Northern Ireland from a very small beginning, and now it has the potential to go global, already being translated into three other languages, Norwegian, German and Spanish, and we have interest from all around the world in getting this package out there to help parents and their kids.